Show you my cube collection. This is my auto cube. This is my 2x2, 3x3. This is my 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, and other cubes. Twisted 3x3, cube, triangle, and Mega Mix, and clock. So now I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 3x3 with the last layer. First, we have to correct the edges like this. Now you got like this, keep anywhere like front or back. Now like this, keep your right side up, upper layer left side, right side down, upper layer left side, right side up, two times upper layer left side, right side down. Now we got this correct and this correct. Now turn this here and do this. Right side up, upper layer left side, right side down, upper layer left side, right side up, two times upper left. Right side down, left side. Now you got all of them matching. So now you go for the edges. Corners. So keep this left side, upper layer left side, right side up, upper layer right side, left side up, upper layer left side, right side down, upper layer right side, left side down. So you got this correct. So hold this on your right side. Upper layer left side, right side up, upper layer left, right side up, upper layer left side down, upper layer right side down. So you didn't get again, so do this again. Upper layer left side up, upper layer left side up, upper layer right side down, upper layer left side down. So you got all these two correct. So now flip corners. Once you're done with all the corners, turn the cube and do this. Use RU, turn this. Don't rotate the whole cube or else you might mess things up. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're done with the whole cube. Thanks for watching.